Hello and welcome to this e-module on cleaning equipment part 1. Since there are both manual and mechanical cleaning equipment used for housekeeping, we have divided these modules into two parts accordingly. In this module, part 1, we will cover all the manual cleaning equipment and consumables used by the facilities in general. Let's take a look at the learning objectives of this module. By the end of this module, you will be able to describe the equipment color coding system. Explain the benefits of color coding system. Classify the types of cleaning equipment. Describe the manual or consumable items such as cleaning clothes, dusters, scrubbing brushes or brooms, microfiber clothes and dish sponges, cleaning sponges and abrasive pads, protective gloves. List the manual or housekeeping cleaning materials such as mops, buckets and mugs, for example, material handling bucket, wringer bucket, dustbins, wipers. Describe the equipment for glass or mirror cleaning. Let us begin with the introduction. Various areas of a facility need to be cleaned and maintained in hygienic manner for the well-being of the occupants or visitors to the facilities as well as present an aesthetic look. The floors of a facility are the most used and prone to become dirty because of movement of people, spillage and debris or waste accumulating. The floor areas that require regular and frequent cleaning include the office area, washrooms or toilets, meeting rooms, atriums, lobbies, corridors and staircases. As can be seen, there is a large area to be covered and manually undertaking the cleaning of the entire facility's floors is a time-consuming and manpower-intensive work. A high quality of correct cleaning equipment, tools and tackles is therefore necessary for efficient cleaning and maintenance. Though only 5 to 10% of the overall cost incurred on cleaning is accounted for the cleaning equipment and agent, selecting the ideal equipment plays a major role in the cleaning process. The cleaning equipment assists the cleaning process in multiple ways, such as equally effective for general as well as tougher cleaning tasks, high cleaning capability, reduce work fatigue and increase productivity, save the time of housekeeping staff, high maneuverability. They can reach any corner or height of the room which is otherwise difficult to reach. Eco-friendly, widely available and easy to operate. They give protection from injuries occurring while cleaning when they are handled by using proper instructions. The color-coded cleaning system uses various colors to differentiate between the cleaning materials and equipment being used for different areas in an establishment depending upon the risk factor for cross-contamination and hygiene. Most commonly used colors in this scheme are red, blue, green and yellow to designate the tools, materials or equipment to specific task areas. The benefits of using this system are many and therefore should be incorporated for safer and efficient cleaning procedures. Now let's take a closer look at the color coding system. The color-coded cleaning system is being used effectively in all establishments to combine superior cleaning technology with productivity and sanitation benefits. The main aim of an equipment color coding system is to prevent cross-contamination during the cleaning process. It is vital that a system forms part of employee training program. Although some companies will adopt systems that incorporate other colors, it is extremely important that once the color has been designated to a particular area, that it is strictly adhered to at all times. Color coding, as it applies to the professional cleaning industry, can be defined as the principle of using colors to designate certain cleaning tools or procedures to specific tasks or areas. In most situations where it is incorporated, a few colors are selected, with each color denoting either a particular duty, such as cleaning toilets and urinals, or a specific area, such as restrooms. Now let's look at the various color codes that are used in different areas. Majorly, color coding is defined by 4 colors, that is red, blue, green and yellow. Red is for high-risk areas, suitable for sanitary fittings and washroom floors. Blue is for general low-risk areas, suitable for rooms, receptions, lobby, corridors. Green is for food areas, suitable for food and bar areas, restaurants, kitchen, cafes, etc. Yellow is for medium risk areas, suitable for wash basins and washroom surfaces, tubs, sinks. Other colors can be used in place of or in addition to the aforementioned colors, including pink, orange, purple, grey, black and white. Next, let's have a look at the benefits of the color coding system. Nearly all industries benefit from using colors to clean, including medical centers, hotels, restaurants, schools, daycare centers, and nursing homes. A color-coded cleaning program is intended to help identify different colored cleaning products such as rags, towels, clothes, and mops for specific tasks or areas at the facility that is being cleaned and managed. Within the professional cleaning industry, there are many advantages to developing and integrating color coding into the existing program, including to control infection, prevent cross-contamination, differentiate for specific tasks or jobs, identify between departments, help bridge the language barrier, simplify employee training, enhances building safety, deters chemical misuse, simplifies supply management, preserves facility assets. The figure in this slide shows clearly how the color code is applied to the different areas of a facility depending on the risk factors. Now that you have understood the color coding system, let's have a look at the different types of housekeeping cleaning tools and equipment. The housekeeping cleaning equipment can be mainly classified into 2 types. Manual equipment are all the cleaning equipment that are used manually. For example, all kinds of scrubbing brushes, mops, brooms, squeegee, etc. Mechanical equipment are equipment which are mechanized and run on electricity. For example, vacuum cleaners. The tools, tackles and equipment used for all housekeeping cleaning activities can also be broadly classified as follows. Consumable items like duster, brushes. Housekeeping materials like mops, buckets, dustbins, etc. Cleaning equipment, for example, mechanical machines. Let us now take a detailed look at all the different types of manual or consumable items used for the purpose of housekeeping in facilities. Let's begin with cleaning clothes. All reusable cleaning clothes of different colors should be cleaned and stored separately. After each use, the clothes should remain in the similarly colored bucket or bowl and taken to the sluice separately for rinsing with bactericidal cleaner. The image shows the color coding of cleaning clothes that is typically used in facilities. Next, we will look at the different colors of dusters and their uses. Red check duster. It is used to clean the WC and urinal pots. Blue check duster. It is used for dusting the workstation. White duster with red border. It is used for washing cleaning. Orange or yellow duster. It is used for screen cleaning. Floor duster. It is used for floor cleaning and mopping. Feather duster. It is used for dusting and removing crop net. Dustpan. It is used for collecting the waste material and dust from surface area. Now, let's look at scrubbing brushes and brooms. Scrubbing brushes and brooms are used to remove superficial or ingrained layers of soiling depending on the type of floors. Let's look at their types. Hard floor brush. It is used on concrete. The dust and hairs should be removed after use and the brush washed and dried. They should be stored hanging upside down. Soft floor brush. It is used on vinyl surfaces or tiles. The dust and hairs should be removed after use and the brush washed and dried. They should be stored hanging upside down. Hand scrubbing brush. It can be used on hard floors and carpets to remove dust and dirt. The dust and hairs should be removed after use and the brush washed and dried. They should be stored hanging upside down. Hand corner brush. It is used for the corners. Removing dirt and washing them is essential before drying. They have to be left on the side to dry while being stored. Toilet or WC brush. This is the primary tool used to clean the bowl of the toilets itself. It's a good idea to invest in a good quality toilet brush as it will last for a long time and won't need to be replaced. Generally, the toilet brush is used with a toilet cleaner or bleach. It can be used to clean the upper area of the toilet around the bowl. However, it cannot be used to clean very far into the toilet's U-bend and should not be used to clean the toilet seat. Toilet brushes can get very stinky and mold infested. To avoid this, dunk the brush up and down in the bowl and flush it to rinse it. They have to be washed, rinsed and disinfected. They should be stored hanging upside down. Hard broom. It is used on hard floors and rough surface areas for removing the waste material. Hair and dirt should be removed from broom before storing. They should be stored hanging upside down. Soft broom. It is used for removing waste material from soft or smooth surface areas. Next, we will look at dish sponges and microfiber cloths, which form an essential component of the cleaning arsenal required. Microfiber is a lint-free synthetic material that has been around for nearly a decade and has become one of the most preferred cleaning materials used in the professional cleaning industry. Microfiber is constructed with millions of microscopic hooks that attract, absorb, and remove all kinds of dirt, dust, and bacteria from surfaces. Microfiber traps the dirt, dust, and bacteria until it is washed, so the same cloth can be used for a longer period of time in the area of hundreds of washes when compared to traditional cleaning clothes. It is also popular because of its versatility and ability to clean with or without the use of chemicals and are available in many colors, sizes, and styles. Next in line are cleaning sponges and abrasive pads. All cleaning sponges of the same color should be rinsed and then placed in a bowl containing a solution of warm water and bactericidal cleaner and washed thoroughly, making sure that the solution is passed through the cellular structure numerous times. They should then be squeezed dry and left to air dry in a designated area of the storeroom. Scotch-Brite and cleaning sponges fall into this category. Scotch-Brite is used for cleaning stains spot from floor or kitchen platform. Cleaning sponges or colored cellulose sponges are some of the most common sponges in the market. Their bright colors and hand-sized shape makes them a great choice for lots of different types of cores. They can be used in different areas using the color code system. The last items that we are going to cover in this section are protective gloves. Protective gloves can be classified into neoprene gloves and rubber gloves. Let's have a look. Neoprene gloves. After washing the associated items, the gloves should be removed and washed thoroughly both inside and out. They should then be pulled inside out and left to air dry. Rubber gloves. These are an important resource to avoid getting the hands too dirty and also to prevent getting any cleaning products on the skin while cleaning the washroom or toilet. It is considered ideal to have one pair of gloves for cleaning the kitchen, where they are very useful while washing the dishes, and one pair exclusively for the bathroom or toilet so that they don't mix up and the spread of harmful bacteria and germs between the bathroom and kitchen can be prevented. For this reason, different colored gloves can be bought. Next, let's look at the types of manual housekeeping cleaning materials. We will begin with mops. The mops are used for removing dust from vinyl or hard floors or for removal of water. They have to be rinsed and hung upside down to dry. If possible, the head has to be removed from the pole to facilitate drying. Mops comprise of three parts: handle, frame, mop head. Now let's look at the different types of mops. Dry mops. These are flat mops used on hard floors. They are also called dust mops. These have long bristle lengths. Traditional mops. The more traditional floor polishing mop is used where a machine cannot operate, for example, a carpet surround. Damp mops. These are used for the removal of light soiling from floors or for the application of polish. The heads are made of cotton, sponge, or any fiber capable of absorbing moisture. Wet mops. These are also called Kentucky mops or round mops. Flat mops have shorter length of bristles. The round mops are of two types: loop-ended and cut-ended. Loop-ended. These are ideal for regular cleaning. They are designed for multiple use situations. They come in small, medium, and large sizes. They have good absorption and laundering abilities. These have a high rate of lilting. Cut-ended. These are the standard and most popular type of mop heads. These mop heads are comparatively cheaper to purchase but have a lower life as they tend to unravel and fray. They cannot be laundered. They are often considered disposable and discarded before their useful life has ended. Next, we will look at buckets and mugs. These may be made of plastic or galvanized iron. Plastic buckets and mugs are more popular these days as they are lighter in weight, quieter to use, and easier to clean. Buckets to be used with mops may have one or two sections and may have a wringer device that can be detached for easy cleaning. Twin buckets on a low trolley enable the brush to be rinsed more effectively each time. Larger buckets should have caster wheels which must be kept free of hair, fluff, and dust. Buckets should be thoroughly washed inside and out every time they are used and then allowed to dry before being stored. The two different types of buckets are material handling bucket. It is used to carry the all housekeeping cleaning material. Wringer bucket. It is used for carrying water for floor mopping, along with a caution signage board. Now let's have a look at the different types of dustbins. Office desk dustbins. It is used to collect waste material from the desk. Washroom dustbins. It is placed near wash basin to collect the used tissue papers in washroom. WC dustbin. It is used inside WC area to collect the used tissue papers. Garbage dustbin. It is used to collect the garbage and dump all the unwanted material from the premises. Lastly, in this topic, we will have a look at wipers. The two types of wipers that are commonly used are floor wiper. It is used for squeezing water from floor surface. Glass wipers, squeegee. It is used to remove excess water from a surface being cleaned. A small version called the window squeegee is used for wiping away water from windows after washing. This brings us to the last topic of this module, wherein we will have a look at the equipment used to clean glass mirrors. There are many ways by which one can keep glass surfaces clean. Either use the conventional soap water and mop method or use a fine spray of water jet from a hose to remove dirt and deposits. But these methods cannot deliver results when it comes to removing stubborn marks like smoke and soot deposits, fingerprints, oil and grease spots, food splatter, and more. To get glass surfaces really clean and sparkling requires an advanced glass cleaning machine. Let us look at the different methods of glass cleaning. Steam glass cleaner machines are very effective to clean glass surfaces and make them sparkling and attractive. Steam cleaning is the perfect way to clean glass surfaces as they have superior cleaning abilities. Steam cleaners with the right specifications and features can be used as glass roof cleaning equipment, CRT glass cleaning equipment, and more. Other than this, there are 5 common window cleaning tools: washer, squeegee, bucket, scraper, and extension pole. Let's look at them one by one. Washer is the tool used to apply the chemicals to the window. They come in all different makes and sizes, and the sleeves and T-bars can be bought separately if so desired. Some sleeves have abrasive pads, some are microfiber, and some are general cotton. Squeegee is the tool used to dry the window and get that streak-free crystal finish. The rubber is the most important part of the squeegee. Keep the squeegee blade sharp and free of any nicks or cracks. Handles can be brought separate from the channel and rubber, and make sure to have a swivel handle if expected to be working at heights. It might sound a little obvious, but you need a bucket for your window cleaning solution. You also need to make sure you've bought a bucket that is long enough for your washer. Scraper is used to remove any impurities that are caked on the window, such as mud or bird droppings. The scraper has a very sharp razor blade that is run along the window and mows through that which needs to be removed. As the razor is flat against the window, you will not scratch the glass. Using a scraper is essential to achieving professional-looking results, as any raised impurities on the glass will nick your squeegee rubber and create streaks. For working at heights, an extension pole is a must-have tool. It's usually recommended to purchase a pole a little longer than needed. All squeegee handles and window washers are designed to be attached to an extension pole. Telescopic window cleaning poles allow you to clean windows over 30 feet high without a ladder. Telescoping poles make window cleaning safer. Window washing poles easily extend to help reach high windows. Extending window washing pole cannot fall off due to locking mechanism. Ribbed connecting collar is ergonomic, locks in place, and easy to turn when wet. Avoid window cleaning accidents. Most accidents are caused by incorrect ladder use. Clean high windows with ease. That brings us to the end of part 1 of this module on manual cleaning equipment. In this module, we looked at equipment color coding system, benefits of color coding system, classification and types of cleaning equipment, manual or consumable items, manual or housekeeping cleaning materials, equipment for glass or mirror cleaning.